Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And for those of you that watched yesterday's video, I got the chart totally wrong. I made the comment how I would be shocked if the price, came down there and actually tested this green line here as support. But not only did the price actually go all the way down there and test it, it just crashed right through it and just kept on going down. So the bears are with it. I mean, they are fully in control right now, and they only picked up that much more momentum today. And that quote-unquote more momentum not only is being defined as just the price action, aka the candlestick right there, but then you look down here at the volume, and the second part of that momentum is you can see just there's that much more selling that was coming into it. So yeah, like I said, I never thought that the price would even test this, today or really anytime soon. I figured now maybe it'll be slower drift, but yeah, all in one day. So with that being said, some updates need to be done. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update comes about from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken, clean close below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched yesterday's video, talked right around the 232 mark as support, but now that the price is below it, that would be considered an area of resistance on any sort of bounce. Now, as far as next levels of support are concerned, we got to go on a hunt for these, and it's looking like from the eyeball test, it bounced at a former area, but let's find out right here. And basically, it closed right at this level here at $2.23, which is a very, very historic level and a very, very important level. Why do I say it's important? Well, I mean, just going back through the history, you can see right there, acted as support. Again, right here, a bunch of time acted as support. And so far, so good. The price is trying to stabilize right here. Does it stabilize? That remains to be seen. But at least it's not like it was up there where the price just went down there and crashed right through it and kept on going. So it is stabilizing. Can it continue to stabilize? That is definitely the big question going into next week. And I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery. Anybody that understands charts, anybody that knows how to read them, knows how to identify supports. And they're definitely looking at, now whether they're calling it 223 or 220, okay, that might be a little different, but you get the idea. The point here is that from a, historically speaking area, this is definitely at a very important level now. So going into next week, can the price maintain around 220, at least start to stabilize? We shall see, but definitely a very important dynamic here.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.